How to poke someone on Facebook. Now, let's say you're being playful and you want to poke someone on Facebook. Now, all you have to do in order for you to find out who poked you on Facebook and poke someone as well on Facebook is to tap on this search icon right here and search for pokes right here. After searching that, you will be able to see this feature that says pokes so that you can poke your friends and see who has poked you. So you just have to click on that. And now you can see who poked you on Facebook and you can poke someone as well. So in order for you to poke someone on your Facebook, all you have to do is to tap on this button that says poke. Right there. And now this person has been poked by me. You can also search up your friends and poke them as well. This is a fun way to get the attention of someone on Facebook. So that's how to poke someone on Facebook. Hope we help.